Um, now, when you were starting out, you did what smart people do. Um, you talked to business consultants that are very good in the industry, and they came and they did some spreadsheets and showed you where the areas of improvement were in your practice. What actions did you take from that spreadsheet?
So I was very fortunate to get advice from many people that are consultants in this field. But again, I was working alone. And so I was given information of if you do these two things will dramatically improve. But because I was by myself and I didn't know how to keep myself accountable, I didn't know how to execute. And I was busy seeing many patients per day, got put on the list of things that I had to do, which never got finished. I knew I had to take action, but I didn't take action because I didn't know how and I didn't have anybody to guide me or keep me accountable for making those changes.